Hi, so today I'm just gonna do something different. And so I have like a Viridian-ish, and then I have like a light teal, and then I just have like a lightish blue. And I'm just gonna pour white like all over here, and then in the middle I'm gonna do these ones. So yeah, here we go. Okay, so I'm kind of obsessed with this. At first I was a little nervous about the dark color because I didn't know if it would like look right with the other two, but I am obsessed with this. Absolutely obsessed. I love this so much. Okay, I'll come back when it's dry. See ya. So this is it. I love this. I love the way it turned out. I love everything. I'm so glad I used the colors that I did, even though I was scared about it not working together. But they look beautiful. So, be happy with it. Be good. I don't know. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.